Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mopatsuke channel. Today we are going to create a sheet template in PTC Creo Parametric 8. Okay, first you can click new and we can use a format in here. Click OK. For a specific template I will use empty, and orientation we can use landscape. For size I will set into A4 and you can click OK. So it will be open for drawings area to create a sheet template. You can click tables, and in here I will create tables with 4x3. You can click and click at this point. You can click height and width, and we can uncheck for automatic height adjustment. I will set height in here into 20, and for width I will set into 40. Click preview. So this for preview, click OK again. The next I will click at these columns, and you can use height and width again. I will set for height into 5 and preview, click OK. The next we can select at these two columns. You can click height. I will set width into 20, click preview, and you can click OK. We select this four columns, and you can click merge cells. Also at this point, we will merge again. And now we can create another tables. You can click here tables, and I will use one. Click at this point. Use height and width. Uncheck for automatic height adjustment. And for height in here, I will set into 200. For width, we set into 287. Click preview. So this for preview and click OK. The next we can move this table. So you can click use move spatial. You can click at this point, and if you move into 0 and 0, it will be pointing at this point. And for X in here, I will set into 5 and Y into 5. So it will be in the center points, and you can click OK. The next we can move this table. Use move spatial. Okay, you can select this table. Use move spatial. Click at this point, and I will move into this point. Okay, the next is XY again, and I will set in here into 5 for Y axis, and for X axis we can set 292. So it will be at this point. You can click OK. Now we can attach annotation into these tables. You can click annotate. Use note, this option, note, and click at this point. I will set for height into 1,5 with bold, and I will set in here into project. We create again another note in this point. Don't forget to change height into 1,5, and I will set into title. We create the next note in here with height 1,5, and now with bold we can set into scale. Create at this point height 1,5 with bold, and set into size. Next note in here, change height into 1,5 with bold, and we can set into reference. And the last note in here, we can set into number. For this note, you can tap NO and click offset. You can select at these objects, and we can move into corner. Okay, do the same into another node. Move into corner. Also in here for size, you can press middle mouse to use pen option to drag drop this drawings area. Okay, move into here. For title, we set again into corner, and the last projects we can set in the corner. So we already create this simple template in a PTC Creo. You can save this template. You can click here save, and in here I will save into document, and you can click OK. The next, how to use this template. You can click files and click new. The next, you can click drawings for type. You also can change file name in here. We can click OK. And for specific template, you can use empty with format. You can click browse and search for the template. This for the template that we created before. You can click open. Click OK. It will be automatically open the last template we create. Now you can edit in here, like you can click tables menu, and then you can double click in these columns. We can set height in here into 0,2 with bold, and I will set into middle points. In here we can set the names into Mufasuket. Click outside, and you can click this option to move this text into center point. You also can click at these columns, and we create again for height into 0,2. We will set into black with the middle points, and we can set names into training sheet template. You can click outside and click in middle point, center point in here. So to be correct, do the same terms to create scale, size, reference, and number. Okay, enough today for PTC Creo Parametric X, how to create drawing sheets with basic command. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.